Hi, I would like to withdraw $5. Sorry, lady. For withdrawals less than $100, please go over there and use the ATM. But why? There's a big line over there. It's a rule. Now leave if there's nothing else.
I got this, Mommy. Hey, can you withdraw all the money my mom has?
What?
Just trust me.
Okay, that would be $50,000, but you can't withdraw that right now because that's too much.
Well, how much can we withdraw right now?
You can withdraw any amount up to $2,000.
Okay, we'll take $2,000, please.
Okay, here's $2,000.
Thanks. Now please deposit this $1,995 back in my mom's account.
Oh, great heavens!